Hi guys, so today we will be seeing how to use the headlight systems in Audi cars. This is common for all the Audis A4, A6, A8, Q5, Q7, all of those cars. So you've got the headlight switch right here, it's on auto. You can turn it on 0, which is off. If I turn it on auto, you can see the headlights come on because I'm standing in the shade in my garage. If I turn it to all time, this is only your DRLs remain on, the daytime running lights. And if I turn down, all my headlights come on. I've got the high beam, low beam right here. I can turn on the high beam, only flash the lights from this side. Normally recommend to keep it on auto. In case I need to turn on the fog lights, I can switch on the front fog lights by clicking on this button. So you can see the brightness increases, or I can see in the rear view now the rear fog lights. So the brightness increases. The button for the same is given right here. So this is how you control the headlight systems in Audi cars. Thank you.